Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Windows 10 updated and you have an account with install rights. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder with the XBS file. This is where you act. Right-click the file to see Open with, choose XBS Viewer if visible. Make sure you know why. XBS Viewer preserves layout and annotations. If XBS Viewer isn't listed, don't stop. Next, we install or enable it. This ensures system-level support for the format. Once done with the file location, enable the viewer. Press Start, type Turn Windows features on or off, open it and tick XBS Viewer, apply and restart if prompted. If XBS Viewer isn't present, open Microsoft Store and install an XBS Reader. This gives you compatibility. After installation, right-click the XBS file, choose Open with, then always use this app so future opens are one click. This step prevents repeated selection and explains why a default matters for work. Now double-click the XBS file. Your selected app opens it so you can review, zoom, or print. If you need a different format, print to PDF or use an export feature. This preserves layout for sharing. Make sure to save changes under a new name if you annotate. If the file fails to open, try renaming to XBS exactly, check size for corruption, and run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, if viewers crash. These steps find and fix common causes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.